Welcome to the online classes for subject science class 6. Today we are going to see about sedimentation and decantation. What is sedimentation? The settling down of heavier component of a mixture when allowed to remain undisturbed for some time is called sedimentation. For example, sand sediment at the bottom of the water. Likewise, when rice or pulses washed in water, the lighter impurities float while heavier grains sink at the bottom. This is called sedimentation. Now we are going to see about decantation. What is decantation? The process of removal of water above the sediment is called decantation. The water that is obtained after decantation is called the decantate. The process of removal of water above the sediment is called decantation. Now we are going to see about filtration. The method of separating insoluble component like sand, mud, etc. from the mixture using a filter paper is called filtration. The liquid which passes through the filter and comes down is called filtrate, and the insoluble component left behind on the filter is called residue. Now let us going to watch a video related to all this sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Watch this.
How will you separate mud from muddy water? Material required: 3 beakers, funnel, filter paper and stand. Procedure: take some muddy water in a beaker. Leave it undisturbed for some time till mud settles down. This process is known as sedimentation. Now pour the water above mud by tilting the beaker gently into another beaker. This process is called decantation. Now observe the liquid. Still the water is not clear. Now take a filter paper, fold that into a cone. Put the cone of filter paper in a funnel. Pour the water through the filter paper in the funnel. This process is known as filtration. Observation: mud is separated from water. What have you learnt? In a mixture of water and a solid, the heavier particles get settled and the water above the settled particles can be removed. In order to further remove the finer particles, a filter paper can be used.
Now it's time for home fun. Match the column 1 with column 2. And second, what do you use in home to remove impurities and kill the germs in water? Hope you enjoyed this session and complete this home fun also. Thank you, children.